Namaskar students. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter, that is electricity and circuits. Yes, electricity is a very common term. You all come to hear in your daily life and you are using it. Yes, we are having our online classes using this electricity. Even you are watching my video using the same electricity. So have you ever imagined what will happen if there is no electricity? Yes, there will be dark in the night. We would not be having any lights. All our kitchen appliances like mixer grinders, microwave, washing machines, electric irons, all these things, they are functioning because of electricity. So even we get scared imagining our life without electricity. So today we'll be learning about electricity. What is electricity actually? Electricity is a form of energy which is also called as electrical energy. So from where is it coming? If we want to form a circuit, what are the different elements we are going to use? So all these things we will be covering in this video. So let's start with the first thing, that is electric cell. Electric cell, you can all check your AC remotes, your TV remotes, or any of your toys which are running on the cells. This is a device that is capable of changing one form of energy to another, that is chemical energy is stored in the dry cell which is converted to the electrical energy that we are using. Yes. So what does an electric cell looks like? This is the electric cell which I have taken it out from my AC remote. So for your cell, you can check it from your any device, any remote or your any of the toys. This is called as electric cell. Now this electric cell, it has two ends. The end with the cap, this is the metal cap. The end, this is the flat end. So the flat end is called the negative terminal. Here it is marked also. You can check your own cell. A small negative symbol is also marked here. This end with a cap is called the positive terminal. A small plus sign is marked here and a small minus sign is marked here at the bottom. Now next I am talking about electric bulb. These are called as filament bulbs, although we have replaced these bulbs these days with CFLs. But yes, this is a simple device which could be easily found at your home. These electric bulbs also, they have two terminals like I showed you in case of dry cell. Positive terminal and negative terminal, as you can see in the slide also. It is having a glass case. Now inside it a few wires are visible. And these wires, they have a thin filament made up of tungsten. A thin wire is there at the center which is called as filament made up of tungsten. Why tungsten is used? Because tungsten has a very high melting point. It doesn't melt. So what will happen if the filament of the bulb is broken? The bulb will not glow and we call that bulb to be a fused bulb. So filament is an essential component of the bulb. It is because of its high melting point that it doesn't get melted on heating. Because when we are connecting it in a bulb holder, we switch it on, we get heat and light energy. But due to this heat also, this filament doesn't get melted because of its high melting point. That is why tungsten is used in a filament bulb. Next here you can see an inside view of a torch. A torch also runs on the cells or a combination of cells which you can call as battery. As it is shown here, there it is a closed circuit. What is a closed circuit? When you switch it on, then the circuit is said to be closed. What is a circuit? Circuit is the path adopted by the electricity to flow. So the path taken by the electric current to flow is electric circuit. Now as soon as you switch it on, your torch, you put that slider switch on, the circuit gets completed. How? There is a metal plate inside. Now why there is a metal plate? Because all metals, they are very good conductors of electricity. They allow electric current to flow through them. So as soon as we switch it on, the circuit gets closed. The path is complete. And the energy from the cell, it starts flowing towards the bulb and the bulb starts glowing. This is how an electric torch works. So today we have learned what is electricity, electrical energy, how the electrical energy we are receiving from the dry cell. Dry cell has the energy stored in the form of chemical energy. It's get converted into electrical energy, like the way we are using it in a torch. In a torch, as soon as you switch it on, the circuit gets completed. The path is complete. Electric current starts flowing, which flows always from positive terminal to negative terminal. And the bulb starts glowing. This much for today. Thank you.